What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about comparison operator of flow control, and this time we're gonna talk about logical operator. Let's go. Logical operators. This is the part of AND logical operators. So if true and true is true, and false and true is false, true and false is false, false and false is false. And let's go on and take a look at our logical operator. As you can see, true or true is true, false or true is true, true or false is true, and false or false is false. It is very simple, right? Let's demonstrate logical operators. Well, for example, we set a variable x equals 10 larger than 7, and logical operators 5 larger than 2, and we print x, execute it. As you can see, it's true. Or we change 10 smaller than 7, execute it, it becomes false. And we set a new variable y equals 20 larger than 15. Or logical operators 8 larger than 3, and we print y, execute it, it's true. Or we change 20 smaller than 15 and execute it again, it is also true. Or we change 8 smaller than 3 and execute it, it becomes false. And we use not. For example, z equal not 11 larger than 9, and print z, execute it, it's false. Or we change 11 smaller than 9 and execute it again, it's true. Alright, today we have talked about the logical operators of flow control, and in the next time we will go on talking about the other parts of flow control. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.